welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes when you're in a pinch during the week or when you have unexpected company. I know that that's not the usual thing anymore, but sometimes your kids show up and you got to come up with a dinner or some friends. And anyway, this is very easy. You can change it so much. What we're making is yellow rice with
I love yellow rice.
anything. So today
That's what it's called, yellow rice with
anything. So I've got sausage here and green beans, and instead of just water and making like onions and things like that, I'm just going to use a jar of tikka masala. Do you like tikka
I
masala?
don't know what that is.
It's an Indian sauce. No, it's Indian. I love tikka masala. Oh my God.
Spicy?
Not really. Not really. But it has, all those herbs like turmeric and cinnamon, which I don't usually like, but I like
you
this.
don't like cinnamon.
I know, but this is so awesome. But you don't have to use that. You can use Italian sauce, or you can use sofrito, which is a Goya product that is Caribbean. But today we're going to use tikka masala.
International Day.
And best thing of all, we're going to use our favorite kitchen tool.
Instapot. Little tiny one.
It is. It's my little tiny one.
I've got the little one and the big one.
Why? You had to outdo me?
Yes. And
she did.
I got the little one at first, but then I realized I got it for our motorhome.
Oh, okay.
So
that's a great idea for a motorhome.
Isn't that great?
Yes.
It'd be nice if we had the motorhome, but it's coming.
It's coming. It's coming. Okay, so let's
we'll
start
cook from there one day.
Wouldn't that be fun?
That would be really fun.
I hope she takes me on a trip.
Maybe.
We'll see. Okay, so I'm just making a cup of rice, and Instapot proportions are a cup of rice, a cup of water. So there's your cup of water. But like I say, we want to add the flavor of the tikka masala.
How much do you put in?
Oh, let's see. What's that? Okay, that's about half a cup. That was about half a cup.
Half a jar?
No, it wasn't half a jar.
No, half a cup.
Half a cup. And then I have here, just because this is what I had in the refrigerator, I have here a spicy sausage that I cut up into pieces.
So you could put anything in there or nothing.
Anything. You know what? I've done it with just mixed vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
I've done it with tuna.
I don't eat
pimentos.
sausage.
Yeah. Can you stir for me, please? And then let's just put a little bit of green beans. Just to
Why
make
not?
It more, yeah,
Why
just
the
to
heck
make it
not?
more interesting. And this was an 8-ounce can, and I'm putting about a little bit more. This is my favorite way of cooking. Let's do a little bit more. Anyway, and then this is a product called Bijol. Now, I have no idea what this is called in English.
It's not what I mean.
What is it?
Oh.
Coloring seasoning.
That's kind of weird. Just a color?
Yeah, all it does is color.
Well, that's kind of But it's seasoning, so there has to be spice in it.
I don't know, Kathy. I've used it all my life. I just know it's Bijol. And it's just a little bit. It's red, but it actually this is what makes your rice yellow. Whenever you're in the restaurants, this makes your rice yellow.
Okay, it's red, it makes your rice yellow. Red and yellow make
orange.
Good job.
Jesus, she's such a pain. Anyway,
fun.
That is it. That is it.
Okay.
So we're going to close the pot. I'm trying to do it backwards, so I don't. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
And then
don't you have to do this guy?
Nothing.
Press ready to go.
Yeah. Press rice. We're done.
That's all you do is hit rice?
Yes. So we'll come back in a little while when this is done, so we can show it to you and we can taste it. See you soon. Oh, it's talking to us.
We'll be back.
So here we are. The rice is ready. I just took it out of the Instapot and put it in a bowl. It is so, it smells amazing.
And it's keeping me warm. It's so cold.
You want to try it? Let's try it.
Now this isn't spicy, right?
Well, it's tikka masala.
But I won't find any.
I'm going to have a piece of the sausage.
I am not. Very good. Very good. Ooh, that's spicy.
It is spicy.
A little bit.
A little bit, but not a lot.
Whew, my poor mouth today.
Did you like it?
Yeah,
You want to take some home to Steve?
sure.
Oh,
She'll
she
eat
likes
sausage.
it.
I won't eat sausage. Oh. She's trying to kill me. It was a one-woman show.
You know, I went to a restaurant the other day and they gave me chili sauce, chili oil, Korean chili oil. And I'm like, oh God, this stuff is delicious. And I'm putting it on. Everybody else tried it and they go, oh my God, how can you like this? It was amazing. The older I get,
It's
the
good. It's
spicier
just-
I
yeah,
like my food.
I like spicy, but these things are
So
burning.
see what a pretty color. Not only is it from the tikka masala sauce, but also from the Bijol, which makes the rice yellow.
Beautiful.
I know. And it took, what,
Lovely,
5 minutes to
lovely.
dump everything in and
Yep.
you're done.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click the share, and
Sunny
like
and
buttons.
share.
Anyway, you know the buttons. Please, please, please. And I'll have the recipe on www.mamtalks.com.
Yes, she will. And check out YouTube. If you're seeing us for the first time, please subscribe. We love our subscribers. Share, like, comment. We love your comments. We like to talk to you guys and see what you're up to and what you've tried. We do get some really good comments and suggestions. So thank you for that and have yourself a great day. Bye.
Bye.